Hello, my name is Andrei, I'm from Ukraine, and with current state of the war, my family had to leave Ukraine, and that led me to immigration to Europe. And for most of the time, I need to check temperature in cities where I go. So for that, I wrote a little program that I'll use maybe in comparison with my phone or app, but it allowed me to enter the city and get coordinates which will show me the temperature of the said city. So in the example, I getting the city from the user. It can be as user input or system argument that will be passed to program. Then I get coordinates by said city using the API. It's a free open API, so I could use it without any keys or passwords. And then I use this another API to get temperature for said city, and then at the end I show this message to notify me what the weather is. And let's run it for Kiev, my home. As you can see, the current temperature in Kiev is 9.4 degrees Celsius. Thank you CS50 for this introduction course. It is changing lives.